San Juan. He's a ways out. She's making the first turn off. Like a professional pilot she is. Friday traffic, Skylane 6 Delta Julius departing 16, straight out, Friday Harbor.
Caution final 16 at Friday. High school final 16 at Friday. Traffic A10, Romeo, Bravo on the right crosswind, right downwind for 16, departing to the north-northeast, Lopez.
Eastbound traffic, Caravan 3 Delta Papa is approaching Blakely Airport for the left downwind 16 eastbound.
For 195 Tango Charlie, radar service 20 squawk, before free free to a great day.
Tango with me, 195 Tango Charlie, will be squawk at 1200. Thank you.
Skyhawk 711, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock. 44 Victor, traffic 11 to 10 o'clock, 7 miles southeastbound of Skyhawk 1900.
I want to get your... Let's see, we got a camera out here.
Would be approach over 224 between vendors at Blakely Island, southbound. Request flight following.
Archer 2243 November, Whidbey approach, the altimeter 3023, squawk 0441.
Eastbound traffic for Caravan 3 Delta Pop, Rosario, left downwind 16 eastbound.
I'm going to bring it into a better position for you in a second here.
There, 43 November, radar contact Blakely Island Airport, 1 mile south, 2100.
November, Roger, currently 2000.
Whidbey approach, Skylane 456 Delta Juliet, Cattle Point for Renton, negative handoff.
Skylane 456 Delta Juliet, Whidbey approach, the altimeter 3023, squawk 0442.
0442, 456 Delta Juliet.
Where's the pro football field? Near downtown? Downtown?
Just beyond downtown.
210, descend and maintain 2000.
Just to the right and beyond. This is downtown here.
Is that your area?
Yeah, that's it right there. You can,
Going there, 7200, contact cell approach 120.1.
you can go in there if you're talking to the controllers. Mainly if you're going to Boeing Field, which is basically right behind there. Renton's just down at the end of the lake. Boeing Field's just over there. They're about the same distance. ETAC's not much further either. And so we're all three right there, which makes for some interesting airspace and a lot of traffic.
Yes.
So we're going towards the TFR now, but we're gonna turn. I'm just getting a little bit of sightseeing done here. Little clouds. Good news is most of the people who are training are watching the football game, I think. Not out flying around.
Air 456 Delta Juliet. Renton Tower, make east channel arrival and actually disregard, proceed eastbound, follow the highway. You're following a Cessna that's just south of the highway, also for the east channel 1500.
Okay, we'll head east, and behind that Cessna, we got him on the box, 6 Delta Juliet. A little more sightseeing.
You see the Cessna on there?
Yeah, there's a guy right here.
Oh,
Fortunately,
okay.
he's only going 108 knots, and we're going 130. But we can slow down, smell the roses.
We're following him, right?
Yeah, he said we'll follow him. There he is right there. Tower 6 Delta Juliet has traffic in sight.
6 Delta Juliet, roger, follow the traffic inbound.
Wilco, 6 Delta Juliet.
Alright, Tower 44 Kilo, request.
44 Kilo, Renton Tower, say request.
Sir, we have something that might have sparked in the cockpit. We'd like to come back in and land, sir.
44 Kilo, roger, make left 180 for the golf course. There's traffic, a mile in trail of you, Cessna climbing through 2000.
That's interesting.
44 Kilo, head to the golf course. Thank you, sir.
44 Kilo, do you require any assistance on the ground?
Negative, sir. We'll keep you advised.
So he's right here. Coming back. Not probably wasting any time.
Do you see that plane still, visually?
No. But I know he's about the south tip of Mercer here. Going 68 knots. He's really going slow.
120 Victor Lima, Renton.
I see him now.
Ground, runway
Yeah,
16,
he's,
taxi via
like he's
Alpha,
low.
and
It's
I'm
like
not sure
he's a-
what the, correction, the ATIS will be up shortly.
He's like he's a float plane, you know?
Oh.
Alright, tower, 44 kilos over the golf course.
44 kilo enter left downwind, and you're following a Cessna 2.5 mile final over the east channel.
44 kilo is looking for the traffic on final.
That's us. It totally looks like a float plane. It just flew so low.
He's real low.
Renton Tower, Kodiak, November 100 kilo. Inbound negative ATIS, we're at Sandpoint.
Alright, Central Aircraft Information, Charlie is now current, winds 120 at 3, altimeter's 3025. And Kodiak 100 kilo, November, Renton Tower, make East Channel arrival, runway 16.
East Channel arrival 160 kilos up.
44 kilo, traffic is short final to follow, number 2, runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2, 44 kilo, thanks sir, on runway 16, thank you.
54 Whiskey, right off Alpha 4, taxi park via Alpha, monitor ground.
Right on Alpha 4, taxi park via Alpha, monitor ground, 54 Whiskey, thanks for that.
Okay, landing gears down.
Yes.
Next year's Rich.
And
Props
44 kilo,
forward.
confirm you still do not require any assistance.
44 kilo does not require any assistance, thank you.
Delta Juliet, right when able, taxi park via Alpha, monitor ground.
Park via Alpha on ground, 456 Delta Juliet. 2 nearest ground.
Tower 76 Foxtrot.
676 Foxtrot, Renton Tower, make Lake Young's arrival, runway 16.